Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a cute Tails drawing from Sonic. We're going to start off with the face first. Let's do the hair tuft right around here in the middle of the page. We're going to do one piece of hair. And let's just do a few more below it. Like so. And once you're done with that, we can radiate out and do the ears. We're going to draw a line right here. With that line done, we're going to go all the way up to this point right around here for the first ear. Go up, and then we're going to go down all the way on the right side around here. And that's going to be the first ear. Now we want to repeat the shape on the other side. Let's follow the top of the ear right around here, and then we're going to connect it to this point. And then we're going to follow this line across right here and then go down for the ears on the left side. With the two ears done, we're going to go down to around this point on either side for the cheeks. 1, 2. With that done in, let's just do the little triangles for the ears on this side and repeat the same triangle on this side. This is pretty much the top of Tails' head, so now we just need the mouth part. It's just going to be a hump right around here. One hump. And we'll repeat the same one on the right and left. We're going to go out. And the other side out. And once you're done with that, we're going to add in a bottom line right around here to here. Like so. With this done, we're just going to do the whiskers to connect to the bottom. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then the final one. And repeat the same one on the other side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Once you're done with the whiskers, let's draw in the nose, which is the simple triangle. Add a little circle for the highlight and color it in. I'll give you some time to do that real quick. Moving on, where you just draw the mouth, it's really simple. We're just going to draw a line right here. With the mouth done, let's move over to the eyes. We're going to mark a dot right around the top of the eye just so we have a reference, and then we're going to go for the center right around here above the nose, and we're going to go connect it to the eye. Like so. And we're going to connect it back down to the cheek around this area. Not all the way to this line over here, just this area. Back down and connect. And we're going to do the same eye on the other side. So we're going to go from this to around this point. Make sure everything is behind the hair. And then on this side, we're going to connect that final point to this. With the two eyes done, let's just draw in the big oval eyes. We're just going to go one right here. And one right here. And then we're going to add a little circle for the highlights on either side. And then the ovals for the black of the eye in the center. Once you're done with those steps, you have the face completed. Now we just need to draw in the rest of the body and the two tails. For the body, we're going to start maybe right around the middle of the chin, and we're going to just go a line out like that, and we're going to repeat the same on the other side. Really simple. And then we're going to start with the shoe by going down from here, out on either side, and connect it. And we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. Go down, out, and connect. And then on the bottom, we just connect the two, like so. Once you're done connecting the two, now we could draw in the boot. The boot's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna go from this point, go up a little to the left, around here, and we're gonna curve it. And we're gonna do the same on this side. Go here, curve it. Oop, I missed it a little bit. So, and then on the bottom, we're gonna go to this point. Either side. Once you have these two done, we're just gonna connect it with this oval shape. A pretty big oval shape. Like so. Then this is about going to be the bottom of the shoe. Both sides. And we're gonna draw a line in the middle. This is gonna separate the white from the red once we have the color. The shoes do feel a little empty, so we're gonna draw in these cool lines on the bottom of the shoes. This is gonna be details for the bottom of the shoes, so Tails has some grip under his shoes. I'll give you some time to do that real quick. Once the shoes are done, we're gonna go over to the arms. The arms are gonna be really simple. We're gonna go from the neck area right around here. We're gonna go out just a little bit on either side. These small little lines, just out, not too far. And I'm gonna draw these rectangles on either side. Once you're done with the rectangles, let's draw in the hands. We're gonna go from this corner right here, and we're gonna go all the way around to here in a circle motion. Very simple glove, right behind the shoe. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side, right around to here. And connect. And with the gloves done, let's just draw in the little white fur area. We're just gonna go draw two tufts on either side. And we're gonna draw the circle following for the white area, for the belly. Once you're done with that, we're gonna just do the tails and then add some color. For the tail, we're gonna go start from the hand right here, and we're gonna go all the way up to this point right here in a curved line. And then from this point of the whisker, we're gonna go up right here on the other side. And we're gonna give it these 3 mountain peaks for the first tail. And then we're gonna connect that tail down right here behind the body. And we're gonna draw one more tail on the back because he has 2. We're gonna do 3 mountain peaks. And let's do the separation pattern, which is just gonna be these spiky shapes on both tails. There you have it, a drawing of a cute tails. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.